Are you searching for best vibrating suction cup for tiles? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best vibrating suction cup for tiles in 2024. Number 1, newest rechargeable tile leveling machine, model number, tile leveling 01, usages, floor wall tile suction cup vibration leveling tool, wireless rechargeable tile leveling machine, lithium battery floor wall tile tiling suction cup vibration leveling tool, specification, product, tile leveling tool, motor power, 150W, tile size, tiles within 60 by 60 centimeters, vibration frequency, 5000-18000 Er/min, suction cup absorb, 30 kilograms, charging current, 1.5 A, charging time, 1.5 H. Number 2, 200 kilograms load heavy electric vacuum suction, 8-inch 200 kilograms load, heavy electric vacuum suction cup lifter glass tile suckers, industrial air pump with 2 by 2400 mAh battery set, features, 8-inch vacuum hand pump single claw suction cup, durable, bearing 200 kilograms, pressure retaining suction 170 kilograms. LED intelligent display, real-time monitoring of adsorption force and pressure status, large diameter double-layer rubber suction cup, strong suction, strong practicability, and durable. The suction cup is cool and heat resistant, and also comes with a dust filter, press operation, deep sealing edge, strong sealing, no leakage, thickened air release valve can effectively protect the disc body, one button start design, easy to press and tighten, say goodbye to manual press and suction, just tap your finger to complete the suction, wide range of applications, can be used to move glass, tiles, stones and other objects. Number 3, Hormy Tiler Vibrator Suction Cup Tiling Machine, brand name, Hormy, Hormy E20V Wireless Tiler Vibrator Suction Cup Tiling Machine, automatic floor vibrator leveling wall tile power tool for Makita. Number 4, 21V 2000 mAh tile installation tool vibration machine, key features, user-friendly operation, its suction and vibration modes with 6 speed gears allow it to suck tiles and lay tiles easier with simple button pressing. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, you can master the operation, strong vibration suction, with a powerful copper motor and enlarged suction cup area, 11.02 x 5.9 inch, its vibration frequency is about 3000 to 13,000 RPM and its maximum supportive weight can be almost about 176.4 pounds, allowing you to lift tiles easily and safely. Long endurance. The high-capacity rechargeable lithium battery gives the product long-lasting endurance, thus reducing the number of times you have to recharge the battery. With 2 interchangeable batteries, our tool can run for a whole day's work. Easy to clean, smooth surface and removable battery make it very easy to clean. You just wipe it with a wet rag. Easy to carry store. This tool is lightweight, 9.41 pounds, and has a slip-proof handle and a customized case, making it easy to be grabbed and carried for a better use experience. High-quality material. The rubber suction cup, nylon plastic handle and aluminum casing make the product highly wear-resistant, impact-resistant, and crash-proof, resulting in a long service life. Number 5, BEAMNOVA Automatic Floor Vibrator Leveling Tool, features, double suction cup design, the adsorption force can reach 200 kilograms, one-touch vibration tiling, shockproof handle design, built-in 10,000 mAh lithium battery, fast charging, long-lasting battery life. The vibration intensity is freely adjusted, and different intensity vibrations are selected according to different tiles, thickening and increasing suction cup, diameter 11.5 centimeters, high-speed vibration to avoid cracking of tiles. Suitable for wall tiles, small floor tiles, used for the movement and installation of floor tiles and wall tiles, greatly improving the efficiency of the work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.